Hi everyone, my name is Palasha Jan, and so we're talking about the infographic culture assignment. So, what is infographic culture? Basically, you're talking about a certain country or any topic, but you express it more with using graphic or a visual representation of the information and data, and it's supposed to give you a brief summary about your topic. So you don't go too much in detail, but just have a nice summary of it. So the country I chose to talk about and its culture is culture of Japan. So in this infographic, I'll be giving out interesting details about the culture of Japan, discussing their stereotypes or their foods, festivals, and clothing, and we will also portray what kind of culture they stand by and type of dominance it withholds. So let's start off with the stereotypes about Japan. There are quite a few stereotypes about the Japanese people, but they're not all negative. From Western point of view, they're considered hardworking, honest, and very inventive and innovative people. Um, the next one is their Japanese food. Japanese food mainly contains fish, and they hold one of the world's greatest consuming records of fish. Their most well known dish is sushi, and it contains fish as well. Sometimes it can be made with other ingredients, but mostly it's made with fish. Their clothing attire is mainly it's called kimono. It's a dress from the shoulders all the way to the heels, and there's different style in the kimonos depending on the occasion. Some are simple, and there could be some that are more fancy. Now, moving on to festivals and culture. So, Japan has a variety of festivals like Bankyo Plum Blossom Festival, the Kasama Kiku Matsuri, but the most special one is called Jeon Matsuri, and it takes place in the entire month of July. But the highlight is the grand procession of floats called Yamaboko Jonko on the 17th and 24th. So the culture in Japan are experienced as collectivistic by Western standards and experienced as individualist by Asian standards. So it depends on what way you look at it. So in Western people see it as one way, whereas Asian people see themselves, the Japanese people see themselves in another. Regarding what kind of dominant society it is, Japan is considered more of a masculine than a feminine, which means they have a standby principle of men working while the women stay in the house as housewives, which is the same rule for a majority of the Asian countries. So the summary of my infographic is to show interesting culture of Japan, which is filled with so much color and liveliness. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation.